Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I grilled this fish with my air fryer. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for the old subscribers. Thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. This is the fish I'll be using today. I'll be using mackerel fish. You can use catfish, you can use any fish of your choice. So I was already cutting it before I remember that, oh, I haven't videoed this. So I said, okay, let me just pick my camera, and then I started vlogging, or I started videoing it. So guys, now I'll go ahead to cut off the head. Are you the type that like head of fish? If you are the type that like head of fish, please let me know in the comment section. So for me, I don't like head of fish. I do not like it. So I just went ahead to cut that off. Then I'll go ahead to cut off other things that need to be cut off. Then I'll cut the fish into bite size. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And if today is your first time of coming across this video or across this channel, you are welcome. I bet you are going to love it here. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. So concerning this fish, I will cut open the belly of the fish and then remove the intestine and remove everything that need to be removed. I will rinse it thoroughly, and then I'm going to skewer the fish. I'm going to be doing the round shape. So guys, continue to watch. Thank you. After washing and rinsing the fish thoroughly, now I'll just go ahead to bend the fish, make it round, and then I'll use my skewer to hold it at the mouth so that it will fall off. If you have watched up to this moment, please go ahead to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Now that I'm done, I'll just put that into sieve and then allow the water to come out, and then I will show you the next thing to do. Concerning the one I cut earlier on, I will also remove the intestine and everything that need to be removed. I'll allow everything to dry. So this is what we have. Now I'll go ahead to add some salt into it. This is optional, and then I'll just rub the salt into it and make sure that everything is well marinated with the salt. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. And please let me know where you are watching from so that I can send you a virtual hug. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch all my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now that I'm done, I'll just go ahead to place the parchment paper into the air fryer. We are using air fryer today. We are not using oven. You can use oven if you want. Then I'll go ahead to place this into the air fryer, and I will fry this. So guys, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share my videos. And if you come across any ad as you are watching the video, please do not skip. Please do not skip, okay, so that YouTube will be able to pay me through that. So after placing this, I will set it on 180 degrees for 24 minutes. After that, I will open up the air fryer, and then I will be flipping up the other side so that the other side can also grill as well. So guys, now that the first part has been done, I will open up the air fryer now, and then I will flip the other side as you can see. So guys, just continue to watch, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Then I will place it back again and set it for another 25 minutes so that it will air fry very well. So after 25 minutes, this is what we have. This is the first batch. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to take this off the air fryer, and then I will remove the oil. The oil is very, very important. If you like, you can dispose of the oil, but for me, I just place this into a bottle. Look at the oil from the fish. So I'll be using that to cook later on. So this is the second batch. I'll just go ahead to place a new parchment paper into the air fryer and then place the remaining fish inside it. And then I'll also air fry this for the same minutes, 25 minutes. So this is what we have after air frying everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What will you be using this fish to cook? Will you eat the fish like this, use it to drink curry, or use it to cook stew or soup? Please let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.